There's a day in every person's life when they finally look in the mirror and whisper, "I can't live like this anymore." It's quiet, it's painful, and it's powerful, because that is the day your life begins to change. Not when you get lucky, not when someone helps you, not when circumstances improve. Your life changes the day you decide it's time. Most people are not unhappy because they are weak. They are unhappy because they're living a life they're no longer meant to live. You feel stuck because your soul knows you're capable of more. You feel lost because your past version is no longer enough for your future. You feel frustrated because the life you want is fighting against the life you're tolerating. And deep inside, your heart is screaming, "This is not who I want to be anymore." There comes a moment when the pain of staying the same is greater than the pain of changing. And in that moment, something clicks. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter what you've lost. It doesn't matter who left. It doesn't matter how broken you feel. Because once you decide, truly decide, to change, the world starts moving with you. Doors open. Opportunities appear. Your energy shifts. Not because life becomes easier, but because you become stronger. This is the hardest part to accept. No one is coming. Not your friends, not your family, not your partner, not society. Your life is your responsibility, and the faster you accept that, the faster your transformation begins. Because the moment you stop waiting and start acting, you become dangerous. You become powerful. You become unstoppable. People think life changes from big moments, but that's not true. Life changes from small decisions made consistently. Choosing to get up early, choosing to work on yourself, choosing to learn instead of wasting time, choosing to improve instead of complaining. Every small decision is a vote for the person you are becoming. Every small decision is a brick in the foundation of your future. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Your biggest fight is not with other people. It's with a voice in your head that tells you, "Stay the same. You're tired. You can't do this. What's the point?" That voice is your biggest enemy. It's the voice of fear, the voice of doubt, the voice of your old identity that refuses to die. But here's the truth. Your future self is waiting for you to kill your excuses. Change is painful. Growth is uncomfortable. Transformation feels lonely. Because you're shedding your old self. And that process isn't pretty. You'll lose people. You'll outgrow certain environments. You'll walk alone for a while. But loneliness during growth is better than company during stagnation. You're not meant to stay where you are. You're meant for more. There will be a day when you'll look back and thank yourself for not giving up, for fighting alone, for choosing discipline, for choosing growth, for choosing you. This day is coming if you refuse to stop. Your breakthrough is already on its way. Sometimes life tests you because it wants to see, how badly do you really want this? Show life you're serious. Show life you're ready. Show life you're done living small. Listen carefully. You are not stuck. You are not lost. You are not broken. You are transitioning. You are transforming. You are becoming someone stronger, someone wiser, someone unstoppable. Your real life begins the moment you choose growth over comfort. So decide, right now, right here. Decide that your old life is over. Decide that your excuses are done. Decide that your future starts today. Because the day you truly decide to change, your entire life changes with you.